Hello everyone. Let's watch a video. It is information about the factory and a little information about assembling Porsche Panamera cars. At the present time, the company announces the number of models produced at the Leipzig factory. Porsche's factory in Leipzig is an important production center and marks a major production milestone with the production of its 2 millionth vehicle, a Porsche Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid in Madeira Gold Metallic, on April 4, December 2023. This vehicle will be delivered to a customer in Dubai. The Panamera model began production in Leipzig in 2009, and to date, has made an important contribution to the development of this production site. Initially, since 2009, the Panamera was assembled and painted at the Porsche Group. The Porsche production plant in Leipzig opened in 2002, and after expanding into a full factory, began production of the second generation of the Panamera in 2016. In November 2013, the factory opened its body manufacturing facility and paint facility. The decision to expand into a full factory has been an important one for the site, providing opportunities for new automotive projects and continued growth. (1,000 robots). The Porsche plant in Leipzig utilizes advanced robots, totaling 1,000 units, to streamline and simplify various manufacturing processes, contributing to efficiency. 430 individual parts. The components in the Panamera's body are assembled using both mechanical and thermal processes, highlighting the complexity and precision involved in manufacturing. Porsche production process in detail. Daily production. Approximately 550 Porsche Macan and Panamera cars are built each day. Production lines. The production process is divided into 3 main lines: body shop, paint shop, and final assembly. Body shop line. Underbody assembly. The body assembly starts with the complete underbody, serving as the car's birthplace. A transponder with a unique identification code is issued, detailing all the car's specifics. Sectional assembly. The underbody is fitted with side panels and a roof, creating the basic structure. Doors, bonnet, and boot lid are added in subsequent steps. Quality inspection. At the end of the line, a thorough acceptance inspection is conducted. Inspectors check joints, surface finish quality, and gap dimensions. If all quality requirements are met, the car moves on to the paint shop. Paint shop. Preparation. The body undergoes 6 phases in the paint shop, starting with cleaning, degreasing, and a zinc phosphate solution for corrosion protection. Cathodic dip coating. The body is immersed in a tank of electrically conductive water-based dipping paint, utilizing electrophoretic deposition to create a continuous coating. Sealing and painting. Welding seams and flanges are sealed, and an underbody seal is applied before the application of primer, base coat, and a clear finishing coat. Inspection. The final inspection occurs in a special light tunnel equipped with LED strips, allowing inspectors to detect and correct even the tiniest flaws. Final assembly. Interior installation. Doors are removed for separate completion, and the interior is fitted into the body through a combination of industrial assembly and manufacturing. Exterior line. Fitting of windscreen, rear window, main headlights, and seats takes place. Doors are refitted, and the iconic Porsche badge is attached. Marriage. This fully automated process joins the body to the finished driveline. It involves fitting the engine wiring harness, followed by filling with fuel, brake fluid, coolant, and screen wash. Final assembly cycles. Starting, testing, and a last inspection of the car are performed. After a test drive, final acceptance testing is carried out. Quality assurance. Random cars undergo an audit for a more in-depth inspection, ensuring high-quality standards. Delivery. Cars are transported globally, with 75% of Porsche Leipzig factory cars delivered by rail, powered exclusively by renewable energy for environmental sustainability. (2024) Porsche Panamera Review, Design Refinement and Enhanced Performance. Exterior Design. New air intake. The 2024 Panamera is refined with a new air intake located at the top of the bonnet, which not only brings aesthetics but also helps cool the powertrain and upgrade power. LED Matrix Design. LED matrix door trim and headlights are standard, demonstrating the care placed in detail and modern design. Unique characteristics of the Turbo E-Hybrid. The Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid is particularly distinguished by its unique design, dark bronze diffuser and exhaust pipes, creating a strong and individual look. Interior upgrade. 3-screen dashboard. The interior is improved with a 3-screen dashboard, including a 12.6-inch curved digital clock and a central entertainment touchscreen. Adjusting gear lever position. The highlight of the 2024 Panamera is moving the gear lever to a new position on the left side of the entertainment screen, increasing aesthetics and convenience. Engine and performance. E-Hybrid engine choices. Porsche offers 4 E-Hybrid powertrain options and a turbocharged V6 engine. The Panamera Turbo E-Hybrid is especially impressive with its twin-turbocharged 4.0 volts 8 gasoline engine, integrated electric motor, and 25.9 kilowatt-hours battery, creating a powerful capacity of up to 670 horsepower and a maximum speed of 314 km/h. Performance upgrade. Air suspension and variable ride. The Panamera features a 2-chamber and 2-valve air suspension, along with optional Porsche Active Ride and rear axle steering, creating a flexible and comfortable driving experience. Roof. More information. On sale date and price. It is expected that the new generation Porsche Panamera will be available from early 2024, with prices starting from $99,900 United States dollars for the standard version. The Turbo E-Hybrid and other technical specifications will be announced later. Preparation for electrification. Porsche Leipzig not only focuses on design and performance but also prepares for the future with electrification technology and clean infrastructure from renewable electricity sources.